Yo, what is up guys? Patrick Gamer here, back with another YouTube video, and today I'll be playing some Robloxing. This is a pretty good game so far. I've been playing it, doing everything it can do. Basically this is like just exercising but with boxing in it. I don't know, it sounds weird, but okay. So we have different stats. Here are my stats actually. We have strength, fitness, endurance, and speed. You can also drink protein shakes, which is nice. So I'm about to hit level 28 right now, and I just did. So 56 extra damage. This is how you upgrade your strength. You can do any of these right here. This is push-ups. What I'm doing right now. This is jump squats. I'm pretty sure. Like this guy's doing it. I'm pretty sure he's like leg lifts. See, as you see, they're upgrading my strength. I have to get to level 113, and I'm only at 10. As you see, this guy is also doing a different exercise, same thing, except that he's not lifting his legs up and down, and he's only just lifting his head up and down. You can also do these. Oh my gosh, see, this is like a weird glitch that happens in the game. I don't call it a glitch, but something like that. And yep, I'm gonna show you guys the others. And yeah. Oh, by the way, make sure to subscribe because I'm trying to hit 33 subscribers by the end of February, which is like soon. And I'm only at 30. So make sure to subscribe if you're watching this and you haven't already. Make sure to like to this video because like I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a good video. But anyways, here's what you can do with your speed. The training exercises at this side of the room will improve your speed stats. So this is basically dummy punching. You have to click what the green is. You have to do 15 of these, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and as you see, it's upgrading my speed. You have to get to level, so you get to 79. I'm only at 14. So far, this is actually a pretty good game, and you guys should try it out. The game is called Robloxing, R-O-B-O-X-I-N-G. I feel like Tofu has played this game too. I don't know, am I being correct? Like, everyone's exercising. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a pretty good video. Here are some matches. And if you want to upgrade your endurance, you have to do these matches. You have to step on one of these. I'm not going to step on it because I'm not trying to fight. This is how you upgrade your endurance, basically. Level 28. And yeah. This is how you upgrade your fitness. Your fitness basically is just 0.925 seconds per stand. Oh, come on. That's so annoying. Oh my god. I gotta join a different server. But anyways, let's get right back to the video. This is how you upgrade your fitness. Basically, if you get punched, this is how much speed seconds it'll give me for stamina, which is nice. So far, I'm not even at 1 point yet, so I have to at least get it. And if you played this game before, you might know that there's tournaments. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that right. I think I'm in it. Yep, I'm right here. Patrick Gamer 109, and players that could be in this round is one of me too. AXS 114 versus XX blah blah blah, whatever. This is basically a tournament. Here it happens. It's basically like in the WWE. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm saying it wrong, but WWE. I don't know why you can't get up down there. So they're fighting, I guess. Yeah. It should have been 4 minutes of the video. Wow, I'm wasting all my time, seriously. I only have like 11 minutes to go. Alright, so so far everyone's training. Look, everyone took every single dummy punch. Okay. I feel like the one you shouldn't really be working on is fitness. even though I already am, but like just like you won't really need it, but at the same time you kind of do. You know what I mean? Like, okay. So we see there's people fighting. What do you think is gonna win? Oh gosh, I'm stuck. And what do you guys think about my new avatar? You got a Supreme shirt, black slacks, 1 Robux. If you were able to, if you had Robux, and you probably, this is like really cheap to have. The Supreme shirt is like, I don't exactly know, but I know the others. I know the hair, it's 2 Robux. No, wait, 2. Yeah, it's 2. And the black slacks is 1 Robux, so this is really cheap. But I got more stuff. It's not a lot, but like, yeah, I'm trying to make my avatar look nice. Okay, keep going. We're almost at level 16. Tuna can 1. I hope you guys are all having a great Sunday. Sad news is we have school tomorrow. I'm not a big fan of school at all. Just saying. And by the way, I'll be doing another video in a like, I don't know, like an hour or a few minutes. I usually do videos like really quick. Oh, and I'm actually, oh, that's so unfair. That is so unfair. That is so unfair. Yeah, I'm not too strong, so like, it's okay if I really lose because I'm not the best. I am not doing good at all. I'm just gonna block. Oh, okay. Oh, I got knocked down. At least I get full health. Punch, punch. Okay, got him. I didn't even lose a lot of health too, so that's nice. Okay, gotta run away a little bit. Just get my space. Wait, what? How is he punching me from a really far distance? So unfair. Oh, he won. Wait, no, he didn't? Oh, that's nice. Okay. If he wins this one, then he wins the whole tournament himself. I am trying my best. No, he won. He won. Yeah, he won. I'm saying, like, I'm pretty good, but, like, at the same time, people are much better than me, so I'm not gonna win this. But it's okay. One day I'll be really good. Nah, I'm okay with this. I never won a tournament, so that's okay. Boom. Nah, I don't really care. That just makes me want to train harder, so that's a good thing. Okay. I know this is really boring to you guys, which is okay, but like, I'll be making a jailbreak episode video. When I say episode, it's a video. I already said that, but it wasn't. I didn't say it was jailbreak, so yeah. Yeah, this is really boring. Yeah, so, seriously, it's so boring. Okay, guys, so you know there's this Robloxing store. So we have like gloves, no boxing gloves. We have this burger. I don't know why it says burger. Tired of all the grind, try shake. As you see, some gloves. Oh, I can buy one, which is nice. I'm probably gonna buy the most one I can get. Pink. Okay. Let's see what else we have. Let's see, game passes. No, I don't need that. I can buy chocolate shake. I don't know. Should I get like a boxing glove? But what do boxing gloves even do? Like, I don't know what they do. The last one is Supreme Shockers, and I'm wearing Supreme shirt. That's pretty good. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's like 50. Yeah, it's 50,000. That's a lot. It's a lot of BBs. That's what it's called, boxing. I don't know. I really don't know. But should I buy it? Or should I buy like a 3 times boost? Yeah, I'll buy it. Provides a 3 times boost on all training points for 10 minutes. I'll buy it. I don't know if it's the best idea, but it's okay. Like, at least I'm gonna buy gloves soon. Go to your inventory, so where did I get my inventory? Oh wait, I think I know where it is. Okay. Here it is. Drink. Okay, it started. Okay, we have to go as fast as we can. 3! That's actually way better than I thought it would be. Wow. Now I'm actually gonna get way better. For 10 minutes. That's a lot of time. That's gonna be like longer than the video I'm gonna be doing right now. So I only have like 4 minutes left. Very close to finishing it to going to level 29. Probably by the end of this video, I'll probably be at like level 30. I gotta hurry up. Oh my gosh! What the heck? Alright, after this, the second time this has happened, the developer has shut down all servers. But that's okay. Okay, I hope I can finish this. I only have like 4 minutes of the video left. Oh gosh, I was not ready for this. Okay, I got this. He looks like I could probably lose too. Oh wait, okay, I'm actually doing pretty good. Oh, I'm actually doing really good. No, yes, I got him. But he's probably gonna beat me in this round right here. He gotta run away a little bit. Go! Oh, see, he beat me. See, that's so unfair. What the heck? Okay. But he also has full health, so that's not really fair for me. He's probably gonna win this one. Oh. What? Oh my god, he won. I still got this. Yes. Wait. Oh, I actually might have a chance of winning this. I'm not even kidding. I actually might have a chance of winning this. Oh wait, I might not actually. Now I think about it, I might not. Okay, go. He's a little bit of FK. No, he beat me. I'm pretty sure he beat me. Good game. Alright. Okay, these are one of those matches where I'm actually doing pretty good in it, but I lost. Alright, I'm fine with that. But it was a pretty good match, though, I'm just saying. Let's see my stats. 6 speed points. That is so making my inventory way better. Not inventory, oh my god, my stats better. Statics. Okay. Let's see if I can finish this quick, cause like 2 minutes left of the video, and I gotta get to level 30 on strength. Alright, so I'm really close to getting to level 30. Probably right. Yep, I hit it. Here's nice level 30. Probably need to do like a little bit of a match right now to level up. Yeah, probably need to go to a match like really quick right now because I only have a minute left, 60 seconds left of the video. Alright, so this no, it's not a bacon error, it's a noob. And for some reason I can't even punch him. Wait, is he hacking? I only got a punch of him, but like that's so weird. Like, wait, how am I not getting him though? That's so weird. I don't know if he's hacking or anything. Like, see, I can't get a punch. He beat me again. Well, he beat me, so yeah. Well, everyone, have a good day and peace.